Hello everyone. Today I want to share this new guide with you. It's about watching videos. It's a general guide on how to watch videos and how to get the most of them. The objective is to learn how to get general and specific information from a video, any kind of video, even a movie, and improve listening, speaking, and writing skills. The only material you will need is this video guide, a video, in this case is a video from YouTube. It's a video taken from Nat Geo, and a dictionary. The first activity here we have is speculating, trying to anticipate the content, speculating about the content and the characters of the video. So you begin with the title of the story or the episode, but you can't or you shouldn't watch the video yet, because here you're just going to anticipate, you're just going to try to speculate. What information are you going to get in activity 1? You're going to write the title, the topic, but it's a possible topic because you don't know yet. You're just going to use this information, write this information based on the title of the story or the movie or the video, who the possible characters will be, and what the possible content will be. You start speculating. I think this video is going to be about a guy who is lost in another country. Okay, that's the content. You just speculate. Activity 2 is confirming information. In this case, you're going to watch the video, but with the sound off. If it is a movie, you're just going to watch, for example, the beginning with the sound off, and of course, follow the sequence of events. Write 2 or 3 ideas about its content, and you compare now this information with information you provided in activity 1, and you compare. Okay, I was right, I was wrong. The characters are not a couple. The character is, I don't know, a group of men who get into the jungle. Okay, so you confirm information, but with the sound off. Activity 3, in activity 3 you get more specific information. You here answer these questions, but with the sound on. That means that you're going to watch the video, listen to it, and answer questions about the character, what he does or what she does in the story, the place, when the story happens, and the beginning, ending, and if you learned something about this video, if there was some kind of lesson, if you learned something new. Okay, we were in activity 3. Activity 4 is vocabulary. You're going to write a list, I would say between minimum 5 new words, and of course more than that would be ideal. Between 5 and 10 new words. If you get more, that would be much better. Write the meaning in English or in Spanish if you prefer, and an example. What is the purpose of this exercise? Of course, to get to know, to understand new vocabulary. In activity 5, sometimes you have the chance of reading the text of the video. It is equivalent to the subtitles, for example, of a movie. Some videos have the possibility of reading the text, reading the script after you watch them. So you have the chance, do it. Here you confirm new information. Here you confirm all the information you didn't understand and new vocabulary that you couldn't get when you were watching it. Finally, what we call the follow-up. The follow-up is the post-listening activity in this case. You're going to write a short summary, about 100-120 words. This summary is based on the main events and relevant information of the story or the episode. And I'd like you to prepare a 3-minute oral presentation using the information in the summary. When? For the tutorials of week 7. Why not next week? Next week is the 6th week, but we won't be able to do it during that week because next week we will be checking projects, remember. So that would be ideal if you watch the video, answer the guide, and you share with me your summary and the presentation of that summary early. You have the chance here of practicing writing, grammar, of course, grammar, vocabulary, and context, and speaking. That means oral production. This is why these kind of guides are very, very useful. You can use this guide when you watch the episodes at the electronic book. Okay, remember, Talia and Nick Crawford and all those characters. Well, you can watch the video. If you didn't understand very well, you can watch the video, do these activities very quickly. I'm sure that it won't take from activity 1 to activity 5 more than 20 minutes, but it is really useful. Guys, I hope to see you next week during tutoring sessions. Remember that you can check this guide here. It will be attached with this email, and also it will be available at the Blackboard site. You will find it there in resources. See you guys. Have a great weekend and have a great rest of the week. Bye bye. Take care.